That 300 quid beauty advent calendar is mostly minis you didn't ask for, a sheet of stickers, and a plastic bracelet Chanel wouldn't even gift for free. This is the story of how the beauty industry wraps overconsumption in glitter and calls it self-care. This isn't about joy. This is about being played. And this year, we're not falling for it. Look, you're not silly for loving skincare. You're not shallow for watching those glossy unboxing videos. And you're definitely not wrong for wanting something indulgent this time of year. You're smart, you care about your skin, and you want to treat yourself. And those glittery advent calendars promise hundreds of pounds worth of luxury for a steal, right? But the truth is, beauty brands have figured out how to sell you more stuff by wrapping overconsumption in sparkle, scarcity, and self-care language. And you, being brilliant and emotionally available, are the perfect target. I know, because I've fallen for it. I've bought the box. I've opened the socks. I've looked at that £700 claim value and thought, maybe this year I'll feel fabulous by day 8. So I did what any beauty nerd with buyer's remorse and a spreadsheet addiction would do. I ran the numbers. I compared the calendars. I broke down what's full size, what's filler, and what's frankly insulting. And if you want to skip the fluff and actually save your skin, your wallet, and your sanity this season, grab my free Smart Beauty Spending cheat sheet below. It'll give you the exact questions to ask before you buy, plus the red flags I really wish I'd have known 3 advents ago. Because you don't need $25 of glitter to feel beautiful. You just need clarity. So let's get into it. Here's what I did. I pulled 5 of the biggest calendars this year, the ones that everyone's fighting to get their hands on, and I broke them down line by line. Not just what they cost and what they claim to be worth, but what's actually inside. What's full size, what's filler, and what's just vibes with a £90 price tag. Here's what I found. Cult Beauty. This is a £240 calendar with 34 items, 20 are full size. It has a claimed value of over £1,100, but 14 of those are deluxe minis worth 30 plus quid, only if you buy the full-size cream at £200 later. M&S. This is a 60 quid calendar, but you have to spend 35 quid in store first. It has 25 items, 8 are full size. It's a super approachable price, but it's mostly travel minis and tools like combs and clips. The Sephora collection. $89.99 with 14 full-size products. It's mostly the Sephora brand, so not luxury, but at least what you see is what you get. Look fantastic. This is £105. It's got 28 items and 17 are full size. This one is actually decent, but only if you want all of those 17 items. Sephora favourites. This is £225 for 41 items. 25 are full size. Yeah, sure, is huge value. But also, the 16 minis that you didn't ask for. That £1,000 value might only be £300 worth of things that you'd actually buy. So how do you avoid getting played? Well, if it doesn't list the product sizes, skip it. If it promises a £600 value with 17 mystery items, skip it. If half the doors are open to hair ties, eye masks, or a branded hair clip, you already know. Because once you learn how this works, the sparkle, the scarcity, the inflated maths, you stop seeing it as a gift for yourself and start seeing it as the marketing trick it really is. Here's the rule that I follow. If I wouldn't buy that mini cream for £18 at the till, it's not a bonus in a calendar. It's clutter with good lighting. And if you think that this only happens with budget brands, think again. In 2021, Chanel dropped an advent calendar to celebrate 100 years worth of Chanel No. 5. It cost, wait for it, £610.
This Chanel advent calendar broke the internet last week. I got it as a gift, so let's see what's inside. Hand and body cream, Chanel No. 5. If you are a fetus, enough body cream for one leg. Trio of bracelet, keychain, and letter stamp. A flip book. A bracelet that just says No. 5. Stickers, temporary tattoos, and iron-on patches. A bookmark clip, a magnet, whatever the hell this is. Bar soap. A charm, a money clip, and someone called the police. A keychain, the world's smallest glass bottle of No. 5, and another one. an ornament-shaped snow globe, a paperweight, a mini red lipstick, a full-size lipstick, and an empty dust bag. What do you think? Is it worth it?
That's not a joke. TikTok exploded. Articles called it a scam. Chanel actually blocked a creator for posting the truth, which only made it go more viral. They tried to sell luxury, but what they sold was a branded trinket drawer for rich girls who don't ask questions. And when people did ask questions, they got silent. Or worse, Chanel's global president gave an interview basically saying it wasn't for you anyway. So no, this isn't just Sephora, this is industry-wide. And the more exclusive it feels, the more likely it is to be smoke and mirrors. So before you hit the checkout button this year, just pause, check the size, Google the product, ask, would I buy this on its own without the sparkle, without the hype? Because advent calendars are not treats when they're filled with things that you didn't choose. And if you want to skip the guesswork, my smart beauty spending checklist is free and it's yours. Because if you're not going to buy the products that are inside the advent calendars standalone, then it's not worth it for you. Because the failure isn't the product, it's the feeling. It's the bathroom drawer full of expired minis you never touched. It's that guilt that creeps in every time you look at a product that was supposed to make you feel amazing, but didn't. It's that voice that whispers, you wasted money again. That's what the industry is really selling. Not serums, not lipsticks, but the illusion that this next box, this next bottle will be the one that finally makes you feel enough. But what you're really unboxing this Christmas is guilt, buyer's remorse, and your growing sense that your joy has a price tag. You deserve better. Not more, just better. So this year, I'm just not doing it. Not buying the glitter, not panic adding things to the cart because of some £900 value that I didn't ask for. I'm buying things that I'll actually use and that I actually like. The things that don't come with 23 extras I'm going to offload on my sister next March. I don't need 25 doors to feel good about myself in December. And I definitely don't need a calendar to tell me what beauty looks like. And if this felt like a wake-up call, just wait, because next, we're digging into the real lie. The way makeup marketing is designed to target women, especially over 30, at the exact moment we start feeling unsure. From 40 grand hauls to confidence in a bottle, I'm unpacking the emotional spending spiral the beauty industry doesn't want you to notice. And once you see it, you can't unsee it.